Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Discord on iPhone. Discord is a powerful communication app that allows users to chat through the text, voice and video. It is widely used by the friends, gaming communities, study groups and online organizations, and what makes Discord unique is its system of servers and channels which helps organize conversations into different topics on iPhone, and Discord offers a smooth and feature-rich experience, making it easy to stay connected anytime, anywhere. So to begin using Discord on your iPhone, you first need to download the app. So open to your App Store on your device, and over here on your device tap on the search icon on the bottom and type down Discord and search for it. Over here with this purple icon and the white controller logo, tap the get button beside it to download and install it, and after that you need to double click to install it, and it will open and authenticate with your face ID or your password. And once the installation is complete, you can simply open it and make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet during this process to avoid any interruption as well, and tap on the open beside it. And when you open the Discord for the first time, you will see the option to either log in or register. If you already have an account, you can simply log in, enter your email address and password and access your account instantly. But if you are new, you can tap on this register just above it and fill the required detail. Over here you can also choose your email or phone number, as I'm going to type down my email address and tap on the next. Over here you can also type down a display name, and you can use emoji and special character as well if you want to, and keep tapping next. And over here you need to type down your password and make sure your password is strong enough. Your password must be 8 or more than 8 characters. Strong passwords have symbols, once uppercase and lowercase later as well, and after that you can tap on the next. And once logged in, you will arrive at the main interface of the Discord. The Discord interface on iPhone may seem complex at first, but it becomes easier with the use. On the left side, you will see a circular icon represent servers you have joined. Each server contains multiple channels which organize spaces for communication. And at the bottom of the screen, you will navigate icons such as your home, notifications, and you, that means your profile. The main screen displays messages from the selected chat or the channel as well. To connect with people directly, you can add them as friend. Over here on the screen, you can find there's an option for the add friend. Over here, you can tap there, and here you can enter your username of your friends and send a request. Once they accept it, you can start private conversations as well. And in the direct messages, you can send text, images, voice messages, and even start voice or video calls. This makes Discord a complete communication tool beyond just group chats as well. And joining or creating a server. Servers are the core of Discord. To join one, what you can do is you can tap on the plus icon in the left hand side in the top. Over here, you can simply create your own, or you can also start from a template. And if you have an invite link, you can choose join a server and paste the link as well on the bottom. To create your own server, you can tap on the create my own in the top there, and you can choose a category such as your friends, community, or a club community here, and give your server name. You can also upload an icon to personalize it, as I'm going to select to this for club or community here, and here you can type down your server's name as well. And if you want to create your server photo, you can also do that. And after that, what you can do is you can tap on the create server, and server allows you to bring together groups of people in one place, whether for chatting, studying, or sharing content as well. And using channel, inside each server you will find different type of channel. Text channels marked with symbol has these are used for the sending messages. Tap on channel to open it, type down your message and send it as well. Over here you can go to the general channel as well. What you can do is you can simply tap onto this SS here and select to this general. Under this general, you can simply type down your message in the general. And you can also share photos, videos, links, GIFs, and emojis here. You can also send gifts as well. And if you want to add any of the photo, beside it we can find there's an option for the plus icon as well. You can tap there and you can access to the library there as well. And under this voice channel here, voice channels are marked with a speaker icon. Tap on to join instantly. You can talk with others real time, mute or unmute your microphone, and even turn on your camera for video communication. And channel help keep conversations organized by topic, making it easier to follow discussions and sending messages in media. Sending messages on Discord is simple. Open any chat or channel, type down your messages in the text box and simply send it. Over here, as I'm going to type down the message here. Over here, the message has just been sent. And Discord also provides high quality voice and video calling features. To start a call, you can open a direct messages with a friend and tap on the phone here. You can go to this channel below the voice channel as well, and you can join the voice on the bottom. You can also turn on or off your microphone if you want to. And during a call, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, switch between front and back cameras, share your screen, and these features make Discord useful for both casual conversations and group discussions. And the next thing is notifications and setting. Discord allows you to control notifications according to your preferences. Tap on the notifications on the bottom, and from here you can mute specific service, turn off sounds, or customize alerts. Over here again, you can go to this three dot icon in the top right. Here you can go to this notification setting in the bottom there. So over here, if you want to in-app notifications, get notification within Discord, which is already toggled on. But if you do not prefer that as well, you can simply toggle it off manually here. You can find this other option to integrate calls with phone app, reaction notifications of your all message, only direct message, or never. You can manually turn off or turn it off as per your preferences as well. And adjusting this setting can improve your overall experience. And you can also personalize your Discord profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right. Here what you can do is, and here you can change your username, profile picture, and customizing your profile helps others recognize you easily. Some advanced customization features like animated avatars and special emojis are available through Discord's premium subscription only. So here what you can do is you can tap on the edit profile there, and here you can also edit your display name, your pronouns, and your bio as well. And if you want to put any of the avatar decoration, you can tap on this decoration here, and which is premium. And here we can find there's an option for the pencil icon. You can tap on the pencil icon there, and it will also access to your gallery, and you can also add your photo there as well. And some safety and privacy tips. While using Discord, it is important to stay safe. Avoid sharing personal information with strangers and only join the trusted service. If you encounter suspicious users, you can block or report them easily anytime. And over here again, you can go to the setting icon in the top right here. Under the setting icon, you can also find there's an option for this appearance. Once you scroll a bit down under this app setting, here you can find this appearance. You can tap on this appearance here, and this appearance feature allows you to change how Discord looks on your screen. To access it, here you can simply tap one of the theme section as well in the top, and over here you can select any of the theme. On the bottom you can select the dark, midnight, light, or any of the other. Just scroll on the right hand side to get the theme that you prefer. Light mode gives a bright and clean look, while dark mode is easy on the eye, especially at night. You can also adjust theme sync with your iPhone setting, meaning Discord automatically changes based on your device display mode. Some versions also allow you to modify text size, spacing, and zoom, making it easier to read messages comfortably. Appearance settings are useful for both visuals, comfort, and personalization. And here again, you can go back and you can also find there's an option for the language here. You can tap on the language, and Discord supports multiple languages, allowing users from different regions to use the app easily. To change the language, go to your profile here, and here you can find any of the language that you prefer. Simply tap on the language, and it will automatically set to the language that you have preferred as well. You can go back and find the change language setting as well, and changing the language will update minutes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Discord on your iPhone. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.